In today's dynamic manufacturing and facility operations, reactive maintenance is no longer sustainable. Welcome to Cryotos, your mobile-first AI-powered CMMS platform. Outdated maintenance systems lead to breakdowns, non-compliance, and rising costs. Cryotos CMMS digitizes every maintenance touchpoint and helps you plan, track, and optimize your work orders, assets, and preventive schedules anytime, from any device. Some of the key features are zero-code workflow builder, work order management, maintenance, meter readings and threshold alerts, inventory management, asset lifecycle tracking, dashboards and BI reporting, voice-based report generation, multi-language, biometric login, offline support, and many more. Customers using Cryotos report 30% less downtime, 15% increase in asset lifespan, and 25% decrease in repair times. Optimizing just one inventory flow covers the cost of the CMMS itself. Trusted across manufacturing, energy, education, healthcare. Cryotos adapts to any industry, securely and at scale. Ready to revolutionize your maintenance operations? Start your journey with Cryotos today. Implemented and supported by Augmentor Consulting, your trusted partner in Industry 4.0 transformation.